Okay, real quick, how to use the outdoor controller to turn on the spa. Press the mode button 2 times till it's in timeout. Turn the filter on. Select spa. And press heat. Heater should engage, which this one is. It's spark. Should say heating. Just lit. Now it says heating. And then our 2 automatic valves should be turning. Put this one here on the bottom. You see it rotating. The one on top rotating. Okay, good to go. And then timeout mode, it'll run for 3 hours. When you're finished with it, you want to turn it off. Just put it back in auto and reset everything to the normal